Good morning, class. How are you all today? Great. It's nice to know that all of you are doing fine this morning. So, may I invite everyone to please stand for the opening prayer? Who wants to lead? Okay. Let us now check the attendance. Say present if you are here. So, all of you are present. So, this morning, we will discuss one of the four macro skills which cannot be disregarded because it is believed um, that this is the key to all effective communication, and that is what you call listening. So in short, everybody this morning should prepare their ears so that you will have a full understanding of all activities I prepared for all of you. Okay, so the title of our topic this morning is becoming an effective listener. And for our lesson objectives, you are going to identify different types of listening and its strategies, expose the various listening activities, and employ listening comprehension skills to get the main idea of the listening audio text. So let's begin. Let's have these pictures first. Okay, questions. Number one, what do the pictures tell you? All right. Number two, have you ever been in a situation where you find it challenging to understand what someone is saying? And what did you do? All right, nice answers. Okay, this time I want you to decide whether you agree or disagree in the statement being flashed in the monitor. Then you're going to share your short explanation why you agree or disagree. So here are our statements. Number one, you try to understand every word when you listen to an English conversation. Number two, when you have difficulty understanding what the speaker is saying, you ask for clarification. Number three, listening skills can be developed by listening to English songs and radio programs. Number four, you take notes to help you understand the message as you listen to someone speak. Number five, effective listeners know how to respond clearly to what is being asked or said. Okay, all our answers are accepted. Okay, and I am glad to know that most of you have good perspective when it comes to listening. So now, let's have our next activity. So what you're going to do is to listen carefully to the audio clip twice. Okay? Again, you are going to listen to the audio clip twice. After that, you have to find the correct answer to the question that is being flashed in the screen. So, the question number one is, you hear someone talking on a cell phone. Who could she be? Let's listen.
We planned to move out after a few years because we thought the room would be too small for our children. We hoped to have many children, but 5 years passed before we had our first child. When it was only 4 months in the womb, it was
Okay,
prematurely
great.
born.
The answer is letter B, a mother. Number two question, you hear two children talking to each other. What are they talking about? You listen.
That's a pretty song. Who taught you that song? My mother. What does it mean? I can't understand it. It's about God. What is a God? I don't know. I haven't asked my mother. But she told me God was born in a stable. What is a
All
stable?
right.
A
The
place
answer
for
is letter
horses.
A,
He was born
birth
there?
of baby
In a place of
Jesus.
horses? But why?
Okay.
My mother said
Next
he was
activity.
nowhere to
Let's
stay.
try this one.
Was he poor?
This time you're going
I don't
to
know.
listen again to the audio clip and find the correct picture based on what the speaker is saying. So here, our question number one is, where is Bricks? You listen.
Hey, Bricks, I need you to wash the dishes. Your father will be coming home soon. Yes, Mom, I am just transplanting these
All right,
mayanas.
good job. Bricks is on the garden. Okay, next, question number two. So you're going to listen to the woman speaking. Who could she
Hey,
be?
Bricks, I need you to wash the dishes.
Let's try
Good
this one. You
afternoon,
listen.
passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes' time. Thank you.
Nice. The woman speaking is a flight stewardess. Very good. So, before we move on, let's discuss first the different types of listening. So, what we have here are number one, listening for gist, meaning you listen in order to understand the main idea of the text. Next, listening for specific information. You want to find out specific details, for example, keywords. Last one, listening for detailed understanding. Here, you want to understand all the information the text provides. So, meaning, before you listen to a text, you should be aware of these different types. You will have to decide what your purpose is. Becoming aware of this fact will help you to both focus on the important point and listen effectively to the text. All right. So here, class, for our next activity, you are going to listen to a song entitled The Art of Letting Go by Micaela. And on your notebook, I want you to take note of some words that caught your attention. And also, you are going to draw images that you can associate with the song. Write big words that may express the mood, emotion of the song, and you may enumerate as many feelings that the song may draw out from you. There. So, after that, you will be sharing also your answer with the agree and disagree activity and a question. Okay? So, are you all ready? Let's now listen to the song The Art of Letting Go by Micaela.
Put away the pictures, put away the memories I poured over and over through my tears. I've held them till I'm blind. They can't.
All right. Did you get the main idea of the song? Good job. Okay, now here. Let me walk you through listening strategies which will help you develop your listening skills. So there are activities that contribute directly to the comprehension and recall of listening inputs, and we call it listening strategies. These are ways that could help you improve your listening skills. So we have before you listen strategy, while you are listening strategy, and after listening strategies. All right. Now, this time, I want you to watch and listen twice to a 2 minute of Abraham Lincoln's farewell address. And right after listening, there will be 6 questions for you to answer. Okay? So let's begin.
My friends, no one not in my situation could appreciate my feeling of sadness.
Okay, so now you are going to answer the 6 questions. Number 1, what type of speech is it? Number 2, was the speaker married? What made you say so? Number 3, did he have children? Number 4, how many of his children died? Number 5, why was he bidding goodbye to the people? Number 6, was the speaker religious? Why do you think so? Okay, everybody is doing great. Now I will be giving you 2 worksheets, but this time you have to work with your partner. Okay? Both of you have to listen to an interview about listening skills and a recorded text audio of a story entitled The Melody and the Cure by Catherine Lim. But we'll go first with the first worksheet. Your first worksheet is about true or false sentences. Okay? Answer the worksheet and determine each statement whether it is true or false based on what you heard. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes for this activity. You may now begin. Okay, pass your paper. Next, for your second task, you are about to listen to a recorded text audio of the story The Malady and the Cure by Catherine Lim. So, there are instructions in the worksheets that you and your partner should follow. So, in worksheet letter A, it says there, write down 5 main ideas that you think will be mentioned in the text. Letter B worksheet, discuss your predictions with a partner and then write down at least 2 more ideas that your partner included in his or her list of predictions and that you consider logical possibilities. Worksheet C, listen to the text. Place a check mark beside the ideas that you and your partner predicted and that were in fact mentioned in the text. And write down any other ideas that you had not predicted but were mentioned. Worksheet D, after verifying your predictions and discussing your listening results with your partner, you will listen to the text again to check your results and to resolve any discrepancies in comprehension between you and your partner. Add any further points and important details that you may not have understood during the first listen. And worksheet E, listen to the text a third time to verify comprehension after a class discussion of the content of the text or a reading of the text transcript. So, let us now discuss the content of the story. So, class, before we end our lesson, may I ask again these questions? Number 1, what are the different types of listening? Correct. Number 2, what are some listening strategies that could help improve your listening skills? Very good. Number 3, with the prevalence of misinformation nowadays, how critical listening comprehension skills are. Good job. Okay, for your individual evaluation, I will give you 15 minutes to answer the following questions on a one whole sheet of paper. So these are the questions. Everyone talks about how essential listening is, how essential listening is, but a few people are good at it. Why? You explain. And the number two, in your opinion, what makes someone a good listener? So there is the criteria also. Our criteria is ideas and content, 5 points. Use of terms, equivalent to 5 points. And sentence fluency is equivalent also to 5 points for a total of 15 points. You may now begin. Okay, time is up. Pass your paper, please. Thank you. I hope that you gain understanding on the importance of listening skills for you to perform better in your studies and communicate better with people you meet every day. So, that's it for now. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, class, and thank you.